What's up, guys? I got some exciting news for you guys. I have partnered with Window Union Films to get you guys dealer access to professional window tint. If you use the link in the description below, you will get instant dealer access when you apply. Usually, to get dealer access from any window tint company, it could take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. So being able to apply and get instant dealer access, Union offers carbon and ceramic options, up to 99% UV protection, up to 87% infrared reduction, and 95% glare reduction. Shrinks like butter, so it will make the learning process 10 times easier. The film does have a scratch resistant coating to prevent scratches while installing the film. Scratches do happen while installing, and sometimes if the scratch is bad enough, you have to redo it. Union Window Film provides a lifetime warranty. It doesn't get better than that. They back their product. As your business grows and you buy more film, you do have the option to opt into their pro dealer program, which includes marketing tools and discounts to help you grow your business. The way they see it, if they can help you get more customers through the door, it means you're gonna need more film, which then leads to more sales on their end. It's a win-win situation for both parties. Give them a try and let me know how it goes. I do want to mention real quick too, don't use cheap window tint. If you decide to go with a different brand, whatever you do, make sure they are a reputable brand. Using cheap tint will make the learning process a lot harder. That is a mistake I made when I first started. I was trying to save a few bucks and I went with cheap tints, and it made shrinking 10 times harder. So if you don't use Union Window Films and you do opt for a different brand, make sure it is quality tint that you are practicing with, even if it costs a little extra. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video. I'm excited for you guys to start tinting windows.